Welcome again. In last video from the chapter of dispersion, we have discussed how to correct arithmetic mean and standard deviation if one or two item misread during the calculation of arithmetic mean and standard deviation. The standard deviations can be calculated directly also. So today we will discuss the standard deviation of the natural number with direct method. As we know, the standard for calculating the standard deviation, if natural number is given, then we do not want to having calculations like already we have done in previous questions. If direct natural number is given, then we can calculate standard deviation with the help of this. Standard deviation is under root 1 by 12 n raised to power 2 minus 1. So as far as the natural numbers is concerned, natural number is those number which is starting from the 1. So if in question they ask calculate the first 10 natural numbers, standard deviation of first 10 natural number, then directly we have to write here 10 and we will calculate standard deviation. We do not want to having taking the arithmetic mean or deviation or etc. So firstly I should prove that this formula is correct. So firstly we are calculating 5 natural standard deviation of 5 natural number with the old method. Then we will use this method, and if the result will be same, it means we can calculate standard deviation of the natural number with this formula. Standard deviation is equal to under root 1 by 2 1 by 12 n square minus 1. Suppose I am to calculate 1 to 5 natural number standard deviation. 1 2 3 4 5. So the total is 15. So arithmetic mean is equal to 15 divided by 5, that is 3. So D will be minus 2 minus 1 0 plus 1 and plus 2, and value of D square is equal to 4 1 0 1 4 10. So the standard deviation will be sigma D square divided by n, that is under root 10 divided by 5, that is under root 2, and the standard deviation will be 10 root, that is 3.16. This is the old method of calculating standard deviation. The firstly we will collect the first we will calculate arithmetic mean of this, then we got the deviation d is equal to x minus x bar and d square. Okay, then standard deviation is sigma d square divided by n. So 10 divided 5, that is under root 2 3.16. This now we will use direct methods for calculating. Suppose our question is this, that calculate the first 5 standard deviation of the first 5 natural number. So standard deviation is under root 1 by 12 5 raised to power 2 minus 1. Then standard deviation 1 by 12 25 minus 1. Then standard deviation 24 upon 12, that is root 2, that is 3.16. So the result is same. From the direct method we have calculated standard deviation. The result was 3.16, and we are using this formula for the natural number standard deviation for the natural number, and that is under root 1 by 12 n square minus 1. So we are calculating first 5 natural number. The result is same. It means this formula is applicable for the natural standard deviation for the natural numbers. If the question is calculate the standard deviation of 10 natural number, n is equal to 10 first 10 natural numbers, then standard deviation will be under root 1 by 12 10 raised to power 2 minus 1, that is under root 99 upon 12. So this will be 99 divided by 12 equal to 2.87. If the question is calculate the standard deviation of first 50 natural number. So n is 50. So the standard deviation will be 1 by 12, 50 raised to power 2 minus 1. That may be 50 multiply 50 minus 1, that is 2499. 2499 divided by 12, 14.43. If natural number is given 100, then standard deviation of the first 100 natural number 1 by 12, 100 raised to power 2 minus 1, that is 9999 divided by 12. 100 raised to power 12 divided by 12 equal to, that is 28.86. Okay. So in a case of natural numbers is over there, we can calculate standard deviation directly. We do not want to doing all these activities whichever we are having in calculating standard deviation. Directly we will put the value of n and we will get. This question may be having in different type of also. Suppose we are given that standard deviation is 28.86. What the question is asking? Question having the result that the standard deviation of the standard deviation of some natural number is 28.86. Then calculate the how many number is there. It means standard deviation is given 28.86. We are to calculate number n. So here 28.86 is under root 1 by 12 n square minus 1. Taking square on both sides, 28.86 multiplied by 28.86, that will be having 833. So 833 is equal to 1 by 12 n raised to power minus 1. So 833 multiplied by 12, that is 1 by 12 n square, that is n square minus 1. So 833 multiplied by 12, that is 9999 is equal to n square minus 1. So 9999 plus 1, that is n square. It means n square is 10,000. So the value of n will be 100. So this question may be having, first in question they may be given calculate the standard deviation of first 100 natural number with direct method or first 10 numbers with direct method, and second form of the question they may be giving the standard deviation value and they want to know what is the n. So collecting this, keeping the standard deviation, we are making square in both sides 2 and 2. So the square will cancel here. 833 multiplied by 12, that is 9999, n square minus 1, 1 minus 1 come here plus 1. So this also. So I think this video will be helpful to you to know how to calculate standard deviation of the natural number with the direct method. Thank you.